Happy holidays to the LADZ City fam. From me, Gifted, and the Nifty Castle crew, Lola Menthol, Whoa Boy. We just want to stop through real quick on a very special day. And obviously today I'm celebrating Christmas, but wanted to say happy holidays and to whatever you're doing today with your family, hopefully, and some loved ones or some friends. A very happy holidays to you, and check in with the friends, see what's up. Lola, whoa boy, what's happening? How are y'all? Hopefully you're feeling the holiday spirit right about now.
Yes. Very excited to be around family and tapping in with the NFT community, of course, and wishing everyone happy holidays, whatever you might celebrate, or if not, hope you have a great end of the year and a lot of cool things to come, a lot of cool things to look forward to.
Lots to look forward to 2022. We hope we can get out and about a bit more. I know that we've all been meeting at these events, but still stressful times, and just know that we hope that you're with family and friends. And if by some chance you feel like you don't have community or a place to go, you can go to the LADZ City Discord or the Nifty Castle Discord or Lola Menthol's Discord. There's places so that you can remotely go to, so you can enjoy community and plenty of welcoming just people there. So just come stop through. Just know that you're not alone, and the holidays, you shouldn't be spending them alone. So we're here for you.
Absolutely. Yo, I love that. And yes, go ahead, Lola. Sorry, I cut you off.
Feel free to reach out to any of us at the Art Start Now LADZ City community, if that is
Definitely.
the case.
And yeah, like Woboy said, we'll be hanging out in the Nifty Castle server all through the holidays and through the New Year. So everybody's welcome to come hang out with us in there. But of course, the LADZ City crew is always holding it down in the LADZ City Discord. And yeah, use those channels. These communities are incredibly important, incredibly valuable. And yeah, come hang out with us. And I also wanted to say, the Art Start Now Twitter. We're going to be looking for new artists to feature starting in 2022. So go check out Art Start Now on Twitter, follow it, tag us with artists, tweet at us if there's any dope artists. If you're a dope artist and you want to come on the show and share your art with the world, we're always looking for awesome artists to interview. So yeah, come talk to us on Twitter, Discord, and share some art, and let's talk about it, and let's see if we can feature some of it in the new year. And with that said, I think one of the things looking back on 2021 that I have to say was the most amazing thing to me was getting to travel to NFT NYC in Miami to meet a bunch of the NFT community, like yourself, Lola, like Fun Uncle and Nifty Q and Ronan, to meet a bunch of these incredible people that I've been talking to on Clubhouse and Twitter Spaces, meet them in real life and realize that like these are real friendships. Like that blew me away. Like starting to trust in the fact that these aren't just like anonymous, weird PFP profiles, but these are actual real friends that I'm making. That's one of the things that has blown me away the most about this year, and that I'm so thankful for. And I'm looking forward to more of that next year. So yeah, Lola, Woboy, and Fun Uncle, come in here and share if you got anything you want to talk about, from your 2021 recap, or that you're thankful for, because you're part of the fam here, man. So yeah, please chime in.
You tapped into it beautifully. There's the family you're given and the family you choose, right? And so you are the family I've chosen. Right? The Discord, the DBs community are the family we've chosen. So, if you are completely inundated with family right now, with your biological family, make sure to also reach out to the family you've chosen, and say hi to them, spread love. This is the holiday season. I love how the human species has put the warmest, most loving, and happiest holidays during the coldest and darkest and saddest time of the year as a way to offset the natural depression that comes with living under clouds and dark, cold weather. So we as a community have made these institutions to help lift us up, Christmas is one, but also NFTs and these discords are other institutions we've created to lift ourselves up. And so I'm just generally grateful to have you, my family I've chosen, with me on a regular basis. And I can't wait to do more shows with you in 2022. So thanks for being around. Thanks for being alive.
Thank you,
Spreading
Fun
love.
Uncle.
Yeah, always.
Yeah, man. Yo, you're a G, dude. We appreciate you so much. And that was beautiful. And so, with that, again, one last time, happy holidays to all of y'all out there in the LADZ City. Our vibe, our tribe, y'all. This community is everything to us, and we couldn't be more appreciative and more excited about what's to come in the new year in 2022. So we'll catch you later.
Thank
Happy
you for joining us.
holidays.
Happy
Merry
holidays,
Christmas.
guys.
Happy Hanukkah. Happy Kwanzaa.
Happy holidays.
Happy New Year.
Yeah.